Good afternoon, Paran. I'm Mr. Yoga, and I would like to share how math subject promotes student reflectiveness in several ways or activities. So one of the example of reflectiveness in maths is when I gave a semester assignment to the students, and the task is about creating a mini exploration. So students are assigned individually and they are expected to create a piece of writing by choosing a given topic. So they have to do it individually. And this is the example of the topic. Each student, the fastest one is the one who can pick the topic that they desire. Okay. That's the example of the topic. And then after they create the piece of writing, they need to also reflect on what are the limitations of the paper, how could they improve if they want to do further research. Okay. And after this, I'm going to show you the example of some of your students, including the reflection and also the poster. Okay, here it is from Adnan. As you can see, there is the reflection part and also the poster on the left. That's from Adnan. From Aurel, it's about Pascal triangle. And she wrote how she could improve in the future for further research or what she has learned after doing this kind of assignment. And this is from Christopher Warren about finding asymptote. He thought that he said that asymptote are not as hard as they seem. From Maxwell, he said that he learned a lot from the research. From Julian, she wrote how she could improve in the further research. And after this, one additional example, another different assignment is when we incorporate a reflectiveness in our learning activity. So the assignment is about Wakelet page that consists of useful resources of IGCSE topics. Most of the students have difficulty in certain area of IGCSE topics, and after they reflect on their weaknesses, they will find some resources independently that help them to improve their understanding and share it to their peers through the Wakelet page. And here's one of the example from Nicole. Next is from Abigail about set and circle theorem from Sydney. So after they evaluate and improve their understanding, the student also make a tutorial video on how to solve some IGCSE question and share their tip to overcome some challenging question. And here's the last example. Okay. And these activities allow the student to evaluate their own learning and performance and plan to move themselves forward. So that's it from Math Department. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye, everyone.